Mars, a silent, frozen desert. But NASA's latest discoveries are raising questions nobody expected. NASA's Mars rovers have captured strange formations, structures that don't look natural. Some appear carved shaped, or aligned like someone, or something, designed them. And now, another shocking update. NASA's Perseverance rover just released new video footage. Footage of a flying machine on Mars. Yes, a drone. A helicopter. A machine not from Mars, but flying above it. They call it Ingenuity. And what this drone has recorded might change everything we think we know about Mars. For months, Perseverance has been exploring Jezero Crater, an ancient dried riverbed. And in multiple images, the rover captured formations that seem too perfect. Flat edges, repeating angles, layered patterns like collapsed walls. Some researchers say these are just rocks shaped by wind and erosion. But others believe these formations resemble artificial remains. Something old, something abandoned, something made. And while the debate continues, NASA released another update that shocked the world. The Perseverance rover recently deployed a small aircraft, the Ingenuity Mars helicopter. Lightweight, solar-powered, and designed to do something no machine has ever done before. Backhand index pointing right, fly on another planet. Mars' atmosphere is less than 1% as thick as Earth's, making flight almost impossible. Yet Ingenuity did it. Its first flight was only a few seconds. But soon, it began flying higher, farther, and faster. Perseverance recorded this flight using its Mastcam-Z camera system, capturing Ingenuity lifting off, hovering, and moving across Mars' red sky. The dust kicked off the surface, the spinning blades, the shadow moving across the ground. It doesn't feel like a remote planet anymore. It feels like the beginning of exploration. But then, Ingenuity flew farther than planned, and the camera recorded something strange. During one of its longest flights, Ingenuity captured aerial images showing patterns on the ground. Lines, patches, geometric shapes, and strange textures not seen from rover-level photography. Some viewers claim they look like pathways, buried structures, or even remains of ancient water canals. NASA hasn't confirmed anything unusual, but the patterns are real and perfectly visible from the drone's perspective. Ingenuity was only meant to fly 5 times, but it flew dozens of missions, each one revealing more details of the Martian surface. Hills, rock layers, dried river systems, and potential landing sites for future humans. This tiny rover companion has proven one thing. We can fly, explore, and map Mars from the sky. And maybe one day, drones won't just record Mars. They'll search for answers. They'll hunt for ancient ruins, or maybe signs of life. So now the question isn't, can we explore Mars? The real question is, backhand index pointing right, what will we find next? And are we alone in the universe? Or are we just late to a planet that once lived before us?